says she running away.
Hey family, and welcome back to my channel. Please, if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and get that done. And if you are one of my subbies coming back, welcome back. Today we are getting this bed ready for this warm weather that I have been experiencing. And in doing so, I am going to add more lighter, meaning in weight, type bedding to my bed. I picked these up from Target and I'm pretty excited with the quality and I'm really liking this. So guys, let's get into this refresh. Okay, so the first thing I have is my Italian Hotel Collection sheets. They are 1,000 thread count. Next, we have the Casaluna linen blend comforter set, and I picked this up from Target. This is a lightweight comforter. It is cotton blend and it's lightweight. So yeah, this is gonna be really good on my bed. The next thing that I'm going to add is to bring some color and some plush luxe feel to the bed is this coverlet. So it's a coverlet, it's velvet material, and I'm going to use it as a throw across the bed. Again, I like my bed to look rich, luxurious, and plush. And that is exactly what this piece is going to do. Okay guys, let's get into this. So the first thing that I did is I washed my sheets. I always wash new sheets before I put them on the bed. We do not know where these sheets have been, child, and whose hand been touching them. Okay? My body's going to be laying on these, so I always wash these before I put them on my bed. So we're going to spread the bed with these, with the Italian Hotel sheets. And after that, we're going to start styling this bed. For those of you who have been here for a while, you know that your girl always tucks her sheets. So if you guys want to see this in more detail, I do have a few videos showing you how to make your beds properly. Go ahead and check those videos out. But I tuck my sheets to keep them in place. Once this particular sheet is on this bed, it's going to stay in place until I take it off to wash it. Yes, guys, you can hear my music in the background. I am praising God as I clean this room. And I'm going to keep it as low as possible because I don't want to get any copyright. Don't think that I will because it is a pre-recorded worship event. So I don't think I'll get copyright, but you just never know. So enjoy it as it plays. Okay guys, so I opened up the Casaluna comforter set. And as I opened it up, my surprise, I'm so annoyed right now. So the comforter has stain on it. There's stains on it. There's some type of animal hair that looks like cat hair or dog hair all over this comforter. There's stains all over the comforter, and there's even a stain. There are pen marks. There's a stain look like, I don't know, like detergent or something. It's like blue. And what I'm gathering is someone purchased this from Target and they returned it after they used it. They returned it, and instead of the store checking this return out, they put it back on the shelf. Now I'm remembering when I picked this up, there were two of them left on the shelf. One of them was like really tucked into the bag that it comes in, and this one wasn't as tucked in, but it was in the front. I grabbed it and the bag is extremely heavy. So I'm thinking that's exactly what happened. So guess what your girl did? She returned it right back to Target. And I was so upset. I returned that and the coverlet. I didn't want nothing from them after this point. So I went online, went to JC Penney, and I found this comforter set. And this is actually not a comforter set, it was only a comforter. And I found this throw. Now I wanted to throw this color to match my new fabric that I have on my headboard. Now I have so much stuff. After this came and I started looking for something new to put on my bed, I realized I already have a throw that color. Duh. So I was like, should I keep it or should I use a different pattern on it? But I don't know. At this point, I'm just annoyed with buying stuff. Because it looked like it was not a plush, but blush color, mauve color comforter. And it's not. It's a dark purple and I just can't seem to get with it. So what I decided to do is shop my home. Like I'm always telling you guys to do, shop your home. So I shopped my home and I have these two coverlets, cotton fabrics. They're fine. I have these Tahari Euro shams, pillow shams that I got from Home Goods. I figured that this the flower on it would go really well for this, bringing in this summery type feel. And I am going to use what I have. I'm going to use what I have, and I think that this is going to come out much better using what I have and stay out these people's store. Because those stuff from JCPenney, guess what? I'm returning those too because I just cannot get with that deep purple. I just can't get with it. So I had to decide, what am I going to put on top? Am I going to put the white on top or the gray on top? And I decided to go ahead and put the gray on top. So what I'm doing here is I'm adding this coverlet on the bed first, and I'm going to cover the entire mattress with it because I wanted to cover my bottom sheets as well. I may use this to cover at night and I may not. Normally I get another blanket and use that blanket, like spread the blanket on top of my bed and then cover with that so that I don't sleep on my sheets. Yes, I know it's a lot, but I don't know, that's what I do. I've gotten used to it and I'm fine with it. I just don't want to mess up my sheets. But when I say mess them up, like don't want to have to spread like this every morning. So I don't have to spread my bed like this every morning if I cover it. So here I added the gray on top and I'm doing a triple fold. Again, you can check my videos out. I have shown how to do this in several different ways and in several different videos. So you can check those videos out. I think they'll be like in the Clean With Me catalog, but I will try to put some of them in the cards attached to this video. Guys, I want to let you see something. If you're noticing, my room is very neutral, and in me having my room neutral, it is super easy for me to change my room out for seasons, or just if I feel like changing my room out. Just imagine if my bed, my headboard was, let's say, a blue. Let's say it was blue. If this was blue, could you imagine me now trying to add in, all these different colors that I'd be putting in my room? But because my bed is a neutral color, my bedding is white, that I use on my bed at all times. Everything I have in here is neutral. The gray is a neutral. I can add any pop of color that I want and I'm fine. Like everything works, it matches, it blends well. But when you put big pieces in a permanent color, like even if that headboard was like, say, purple, red, whatever. Some people do crazy stuff. Then you can't do stuff like this that I'm doing, where so often I can change my bed out. And again, I like that clean look. When you have this clean look and you get up in that bed, it makes you feel clean. It makes you feel so comfortable, you know, especially after you done take your nice shower, put your scents on, and you get up in your bed. This makes you feel so good. Imagine if these were black sheets. You would not get that same feel. It's all a mental thing. So what I decided to do is to add a pop of color. So I have this muted green accent pillows that I purchased these, I think it was last summer. I purchased these from Home Goods, and they have two sides, but I'm going to use the solid side because of the Euroshams that I have. I don't want anything to compete with the Euroshams. I just want it to blend in. And guys, here is the final look of my bed, because I shopped my home. Okay guys, so I am going to spray my bed. This is Castellana as well. I got that linen spray from Target, and I am going to spray my bed. So now let's move on to my side console table. I am going to restyle this console table, and I got these items from Target. So this plant right here, it's a faux plant. I got it from Target, and I got the Castellana diffuser. So I'm adding that. I really liked the jar that this came in. I like that old rustic look that it was given. And as you can see, I shopped the entire collection. Try to get as much pieces from that collection as possible. It was so unfortunate that the comforter, I just had to take it back. But I had already, you know, I kept these items. And the glass jar that I put over the candle, I also got that from Target. So guys, here is the finished look of my room. Again, just like how you're seeing it looking cozy, that's exactly how it feels. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope this inspires you to do something new in your space and have fun doing it. Thank you again, and see you guys on the next one. Bye.